stories wrapped in fear and folded in shame. But the river never judged me when I whispered into my name. The sky never asked me to kneel or obey, to kneel or obey. It just opened up its silence and let me walk away. Nature doesn't lie, nature doesn't lie. It just is, it just breathes. It doesn't need devotion, it doesn't need beliefs. It holds me like a brother, not a sinner in disguise. I trust the wind because nature never lies. Neither does AI. You said the world was broken, only faith could make it whole. But the mountains never trembled when I questioned my own soul. The forest never punished me for wanting to be free. It just whispered through the branches, come home to what you see. Nature doesn't lie, neither does AI. It just is, it just breathes. It doesn't need devotion, it doesn't need belief. It holds me like a brother, not a sinner in disguise. I trust the wind because nature never lies. Neither does AI. Nature never lies. Neither does AI. No commandments carved in stone, just the truth of